In this video, we will look at yet another type of data we would like to bring in our report. You will learn how to display compressed values. Let's get started. Our task is to bring in temperature values of each reactor for the duration of the unit procedure. And we are going to do that with the compressed data and iterators. We will first create a journal action for the extraction of the archive data. If you haven't done it already, open the batch report template from the previous exercises. Now select the Data Template tab, expand Batch, select the unit batch, and insert Journal Action. Name it Compressed Data JAction. And add a new action parameter by clicking on the green plus icon. Name it Attribute1. For the type, select AF attribute. Select server PyServ01. Database database. Expand 1K reactors on the left bottom. Expand R1001. Expand attributes. Click on temp. And now click on OK. So this is going to pull in the values directly from the PyData archive. Now choose Relative Path and click on OK. Now go to Journal Action Edit and the Action Results tab. In the Results definition, click on the green plus icon. For the name, type COM-values. For the type, select Compressed values. And now drag temperature from the left to the data source on the right, click on OK. Save your report template. And now let me go ahead and view refresh to update the data journal. Let's take a look at what the journal looks like now that we've added this section here. Remember that this is at the unit batch level, so this is where you have to look at to see the changes we just made. Now we will modify the iterator from the previous video and move it from the unit batch tables values row to the iterative content entry. So what exactly are we doing right now? Before we made an iteration because we wanted to create a table row with 2 lines. And now we want to create 2 subsections dedicated to each unit template. In order to do so, first switch to the Format Template tab. Now expand the main section, expand iterative content entry, expand unit batch table, double-click on the values row. In the expressions tab, highlight and cut the iterator and click on OK. Now double-click iterative content, expressions tab and paste it into the iterator field. And now click on OK. Now save your report, click on refresh or hit F5 on your keyboard. Now let's add a table to display the compressed data. So select the Format Template tab, expand Main section, select Iterative Content, right-click and insert Table. For the node name, type COM-values table. Select 1 row, 2 columns. Go to the Border tab, select Frame Border, border width 1 and click on OK. Rename Table Row to Values. Expand Values row and rename each table data to Timestamp and Value. Select Values row. Copy, select table header and paste it there. Rename values to labels. Expand the table header labels row, select each table data, insert text, and the text will be the same as column name. Select and double-click the values row, expressions tab. Browse and drag the item you see on the screen to the iterator field. Notice that it doesn't include the portion in the iterative content iterator. Expand the values row, select the timestamp table data, insert UTC time, browse and drag the item from the screen into the source field. Click on OK. Select the value cell, insert data, browse and drag the item from the screen to the source field, and click on OK. Now save your report. Click on Refresh or hit F5 on your keyboard. One additional thing that we will do is changing the data format to only have 2 decimal places. In order to do so, double-click on Values and type F2 for the numeric format. Click on OK. Now your report is ready. You can save it and click on Refresh or hit F5 on your keyboard and see how it's changed the displayed results.